tryna hold you close to me like the bag Chanel.
Good morning, y'all. It is the 6th of December. Happy Vlogmas. My main goal for not only today, but hopefully this whole weekend is to get a lot of content in. I have a lot to do for Instagram, and then obviously since I'm doing Vlogmas, I have a lot to do over here as well. So I think what I'm gonna do is figure out something to eat, maybe just have some tea or some fruit for right now. And yeah, let's do that. Let's get some tea. And then wait, do I want to clean right now or do I want to get into content right now? Because, I thought about it and we're going to go with the content. But hear me out. I have an event to go to tomorrow. There's a Jersey Creators Market event that I'm going to. I actually can't waste time because it takes me forever to figure out how I'm gonna look between hair and outfits and all that. So I need to do that first. Usually I would clean up first, but I cannot afford to do that. I didn't even shower yet because I was gonna clean. But let's get some tea. Let's drink some tea. Let's shower. Then it's time to figure out hair. What do I want my hair to look like tomorrow? And what I want to wear tomorrow. And I also have a big, huge Shein haul. A big, huge box of stuff that I want to try on for everybody as well. So let's do that. Look at this mug. Isn't this mug the cutest? One of my best friends got this for us. Our friends group is 6 of us. So it has all of our names on it. It says Soul Sisters. And it has pictures of us. I'm gonna do this David's Tea organic code 911. I don't even have a code, but I like how it tastes. I have a few wigs that I'm waiting to receive that I ordered, and I was really hoping that at least one came today, because I don't know what to do to my hair. I forgot I wasn't done editing last night. I have to edit the vlog that I'm going to actually post on today. I have to edit that vlog. Eventually it's gonna get to the point where I have a lot of footage and I could just do like create bulk content for YouTube. Obviously that's the best scenario, but for right now I'm kind of like doing it as I go. Alright, I'm finally done. I could get up now. Let me show y'all something though real quick. Like, this is what I mean by, dang. Okay, I'm gonna really do an Instagram video. I want to do I'm gonna do a video explaining, no, I'll do it. People charge for this type of stuff, but I'm gonna make a video on YouTube with a lot of gems that I have learned over the years when it comes to Instagram, like growing your account and things like that. But look at this. See all of these drafts? Stop playing. The plan is to go out this year with a bang. I went crazy this year on Instagram. I went crazy. I gained the most followers I've ever gained in this amount of time in my life this year, 2024. So we going out with a bang. December, I'm posting like a machine gun. I edited and posted a vlog today. I created an Instagram video just now. I edited that video. I scheduled that video. I scheduled a few more posts for Instagram so that they could just automatically come out. Now I'm about to eat real quick so that I'm not starving while I'm creating content. So the thing about me, when it comes to creating content, I be needing the stars to be aligned. Like, I need everything to make sense. Because once I get into the content bag, there's no stopping it. Like, it could be an all day and all night thing. So it's like, I gotta make sure that everything else that needs to be done is done first. Because ain't no stopping. I'm gonna be at this all day and night. Trust me. So, like, let me feed myself. Let me make sure that I schedule my post for today. Let me make sure I took care of my child. Okay, as far as hair, what are we thinking about this one? Here we go. Here's the progress. We have a bob. I gotta figure out how to install this. Mind you, my hair is out. My natural hair is out. So I'm gonna see about wrapping it or doing something like that. Putting the cap on, wig. So we got that going on. And let me show y'all this. This box right here. I can't even lift this box. Like, I can't lift this box up. I have to drag it. It's that heavy, full of clothes. I did a huge Shein order. When it comes to me figuring out what I need to wear tomorrow for this, mind you, it's a fit festival that I'm going to. It's a street wear fit festival. So, best outfit wins money and things like that. And it's just a great time full of amazing people, cool people that have great sense of style. There's a lot of vendors that come and things like that. So I just want to show up and show out, you know. So at least I started the process with this wig. We're going to style it soon. I'm going to do the Shein haul for Instagram and YouTube some kind of way. And I'm going to find an outfit out of them clothes that I got too. But if y'all want to see how I come to put myself together, then stay tuned for the next vlog. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. So next time y'all see me, I should be transformed. Period. I done started this channel off looking crazy. But anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later with another video.
Her name's Chanel, and she keeps my strap in her Chanel.